Welcome back to Trusted Romeo IT Digital Marketing. So today I'm going to talk about pay-per-click advertising, YouTube ads advertising actually. So YouTube ads is under pay-per-click advertising because of when you post your video outside there on YouTube. So when people are clicking and coming to your website, you are paying per click. So I wanna make you to understand exactly what is YouTube advertising. A lot of us, we go to the digital marketer agency or website developer, and then we just say, hey, we need digital marketing. But the problem is we don't even understand the value of it. We don't even understand how does it work. So I'm releasing these videos so that you can understand exactly which one can work for your business. We also have another videos on this website. I'm gonna put the link on the description if it's on the YouTube, so that you can see exactly how does it work. We also have a what do we call it, a video of search engine optimization, Google ads, yes, Google ads, Facebook ads, Google display ads, email marketing, Gmail marketing. So there are a lot of videos that you can learn to see exactly which one can work for your business. Is it gonna be Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or do you want to combine all of them so that at least you can generate more leads? So back to the video. As you can see here, this is the presentation. What is YouTube ads? An example of YouTube ads advertising. Basically, YouTube ads is when like, what is YouTube? YouTube is a platform. It's a social media platform. Let's just say social media platform, where each and let's just say or let's just say there's a billions and billions of people are spending too much time watching videos. Online. Actually, it can be a tutorial. It can be what do we call it? Advice. It can be a music. It can be a movie. So let me show you example of YouTube actually. How does it work actually? So as you can see here, this is an example of YouTube advertising or ads. As you can see here, I wanted to watch Spider-Man 3, whatever the Andrew Garfield, But first of all, I see the ad, it's popping up right now before I watch the video that I'm looking for. That's called a YouTube advertising. So if I can play, let me try to reduce a volume a little bit. Yeah, if I can try and play here. So as you can see here, the video is playing. I think basically on this ad they're advertising so that you can trade. Yeah, I think it's for trading. So if I'm interested in trading, so I can just click here and say join eToro. So which means it's gonna redirect me to www.etoro.com. So basically, I see even a lot of people, they say, no, YouTube ads, it doesn't work because of most of people, they like to skip these ads. The reason why most of people are skipping these ads is because of most of the developers, most of the digital agency, they target the wrong customers. Example, like I'm just making an example. They like to do a broad match, what do we call it, audience. Example, here, let's just say you're doing construction. Usually we will what do we call it, we will target people who usually go to Google and type about construction actually. Yes, construction. Yes. So that's how it is actually. So because of YouTube, it's owned by Google actually, so they really know exactly who are those people who are searching about what do we call it, um, the ads, like those kind of keywords. As you can see here, I used to like to trade more. Most of the time I used to Google about trading. That's why I can see these ads, most of the time. And then we're gonna talk about the audience in on the presentation. So if I skip here before it reach 30 seconds, it's not gonna charge these people actually. It's not gonna charge these people who are advertising this company of eToro or the developer. Like a developer or digital agency. So basically this is YouTube ads. So let's go back to the presentation. So as you can see here, how does it work actually? So basically we can create a video for your business. We have a drones, we have a cameras, where we can take the pictures of your work, or how do you do your work. We can come out and we can come in and direct exactly what do you want to show to the people. Sort of like an interview. It's either interview or the product or an advertisement based on your product or services, okay, so that you can reach what do we call it, more billions of people outside there. So how do we target the right audience for your business? Interesting. So how do we what do we call it, target the right audience for your business? Like as I was explaining about, most of people they always skip is because of you target the wrong customers or the wrong clients or the wrong audience. So let me show you the audience actually. So as you can see here, this is Google Ads campaign. So now it says 10B is because of I haven't choose any audience that I want to search actually. So as you can see here, I like even YouTube ads because of we can choose a location that we want people to search. Example, if I just want all over to South Africa, I need all over to South Africa, I can click here and then it's gonna say 1.4 billion. Imagine. But depending on your budget, doesn't mean that it's gonna reach 1.4 billion. Depending on your budget, you get my point. So let's go to entire location. So let's just say you just want to search like you just only people to see around in Gauteng. If you're around in Gauteng, as you can see here, and then target. So which means we're gonna read 590 meter, like million actually. Yes, million. So depending on the budget, how much do you have actually? So as you can see here, Gauteng province, and then let's just say you're interested to in to to target also in Limpopo. Let's go to Limpopo, and then we can target exactly, and then let's go to advanced search so that you can able to see. As you can see here, this is where it marks. It means that everyone who's going to be around in this location, they're going to see your ads. And also people who are around in this location, that's going to increase your ads. We can also add more locations. You want to target Lesotho, Bloemfontein, specific location. But if you want to target entire, what do we call it, like all over to South Africa, that's okay too. Okay, yes. So and then back to the presentation. What do you need to run YouTube actually basically you must have a website. Yes, we must have a website where if people are clicking here, as an example, if people are clicking here, they must redirected to your website. Example, let me show you right now. I have clicked the ad right now. So basically now I'm on the website of eToro. I don't know, is it, yeah, eToro. So basically this is what the website is much more important, because if you don't have a website, it's like you don't exist online. How will the people see yourself? Sorry. How will the people see your services? How will the people trust you? Testimonials. What about the testimonials? How do you do your services? One of the projects that you have done on your website. So the website is much more important, and also you're gonna be visible because of there's so many platforms that we can use to make your website be visible on Google, because people are searching, people are needing your services. So what? Someone is waiting for you. Okay, so this is basically what is happening actually. You must have a website so that we can able to drive people to your YouTube actually. To your website through YouTube. So as you can see here, like I explained, we can target whatever location that you want. If you don't want to target entirely Limpopo, we can target Polokwane, whatever the location that you are looking for. Cape Town, if you're around in Cape Town. Okay, so let's go back. So and then okay, how do we target the right audience actually? Sorry, let's go back to how do we target the right audience. So basically, let's go back to Google and then console here. Okay, I need audience. Where's audience? And then also language. Actually, there's language. We can target through the language. Okay. Additional information. Yeah, as you can see here, who you want to search actually define the audience. There's demographic, age, gender. As you can see here, if I only want to target females, I can target only males. I can just untick, so there's 18 to 24. I don't want 18 to 24. Maybe the product doesn't need, or services doesn't need 18 to 24. It needs start to 25 to 34. And then, so which means all these people that I have marked here, they're gonna able to see the ads actually. So let's go to 35, because Gmails can identify the person, who they are, what they do actually, especially when you search. Google always store exactly usually what you search online actually. So as you can see here, parent, not parent. If you want to target only parents, we can target parent. It's just that household income, it's not available in South Africa. It's available in US actually. So this is the demographic actually. So we can play with this thing actually, depending on what you want to target actually. 35, obvious. And then let's use the keywords. There's keywords actually. We can use keywords. It's like, okay, I need people who usually go to Google and search about I'm just making an example. Cleaning, and then when I hit, this one, it's a website actually. I can paste even other websites that are much more related to the services. Let's click here, and then I click cleaning. So, which means, let's just say cleaning company. Company. Yeah, and then let me hit enter. So Google is gonna go and find, usually people are searching about cleaning company, and then I can just come here and add offices, so which means basically people who usually search about this thing online most of the time, they're gonna be around here when they go to YouTube and watch whatever that they want to watch, they're gonna see your video, okay, before it plays actually, or after it plays, or in the middle, so. And then a video of YouTube, it can be, let's go back here. A video of YouTube, it can be 2 minutes, it can be 3 minutes, it can be 15 minutes, it can be 30 minutes, yeah. I see a lot of videos that are much more like YouTube ads that are much more long, but usually it can go to 5 minutes, 2 minutes. And then basically, let's just say you have uploaded a 5 minutes video. I think around when it reach around 30 seconds, they charge you. Maybe they can charge you 2 rand, 3 rand, 4 rand, so depending on how much budget you want to invest. So yes, so let's go back to the presentation. The type of the audience actually, or different type of the audience, like what I was explaining right now, as you can see here. Or usually we won't use even this thing. If we don't want to use, or maybe basically on keywords research, we can come here. Google already store everything for us here. People who likes to, like based on advertising, like, okay, and then I can come here in browser. There is remarketing and similar, custom intent, custom audience actually. So here, let's come here. Let's just say usually people who like home and gardens, kitchen and bathroom, interior design, we can just mark here. And then it's gonna, here, as you can see here, it said impression, it's gonna be 2 million actually, 290 million actually. So there are a lot of what do we call it, there are a lot of things here: flooring, interior design. And then also we can also send, let's just say banking, like we want people, sorry, I think my keyboard, banking or finance, so as you can see, local banks, interested interns, like people are interested in those things. So which means we can target those, what we call it, those type of audience. There are a lot of audience that we can target. Let's come here to custom interns, okay. Like actually in marketing audience, yeah, as you can see here: apparel, accessories, auto, vehicle, baby and children product. This is usually people who are searching those things on Google. So already Google does know what kind of people, who they are, what is their profile, what is their interest, behavior, demographic. Okay, so back to the presentation. How much estimate you can reach? I just wrote 1 meter. Depending on your budget, how much do you want to invest? So if you want to know about how can we improve your website, how can we drive people using your YouTube ads, Google ads, actually, Gmail ads, email marketing. We are having so many platforms that we can help you to generate more leads and also to increase more profit in your business through YouTube ads. So this is where people are spending too much time searching about your products, searching about your services each and every single day. So if you're not there, how will you solve their problems? Because the main thing that I really know that it's you really want to solve their problem. You want to sell the product so that it can solve their problem. You are selling a service so that it can solve their problem. So if you want us to help you to move your business on another level, or to move your business to, from ordinary to extraordinary, let us know. There's our website. You can click on the corner. There's a chatbot where you can chat with us, or you can leave your contact number, or you can contact us and ask about more. That's why I said you have to learn about how do we advertise, so that you can understand exactly, oh, this is how it works, rather than to just say there's YouTube ads, and then after you don't even understand anything, and you'll be like, oh, this is not working, this is not what we call it, whatever. So if you really much more interested in YouTube ads, or maybe you really need even also Facebook ads, ask us. We're going to give you a quote on how much are you going to spend, and then what is your budget, and then how much are you willing to invest, actually. What are you comfortable to invest? Okay. I'm gonna see you on another video. There's a lot of videos around on what we call on our website. You can watch and learn and see how does it work. We have a search engine optimization, like I explained, YouTube ads, this one, and then we also have different between what do we call it, YouTube ads, and Google ads, and also search engine optimization. So you can watch those video, go and watch those video, learn more. When you feel like, okay, you're really ready to, to be online, to exist online, let us know, actually. Thank you very much.